Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kui Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today I rode out to Calasiao to see Jeremiah's project at JLC Builders. You can find him on Facebook at JLC Builders and send him a message. And he basically services Manila, Tarlac, pretty much like Central Luzon. He did say that if the project was big enough, he would travel with his crew further. But basically on the Luzon island, I get a lot of questions about, if he'll go to Mindanao or, other islands. The answer is no. Now, I want to show you something here real quick because I was really confused, and I know you guys were pretty confused. Here is the picture of the finished house, what it will look like. He is only building the back house right now, and then they're going to build the side house, which will cover half of that and come along this fence here. The reason is because the homeowners, they want to move in as soon as possible, so they want him to go ahead and build the back portion of the house, and then they're going to build the second house, which runs along this fence. This house over here, this white house, this is not their project. That's another house from another company that's going up at the same time that Jeremiah and his crew are also building this house. So I just wanted to make that clear. So you can see here, this is the front, this is the other project here, but you can see that back side, that house right there is the back portion, and I'm going to circle it right here on the picture. That is what they're currently building. So this is going to be, and I did say that was 80 square meters. That's that house back there. So just to avoid any confusion there. And let's take a walk around and check this out. All right, guys. I hear music in the background, so I'm not going to be able to record inside.